Talking about plastic extrusion, you will never want to miss the famous brand in Taiwan called CYKF. Come and join the company tour with me now. We are the professional tailor-made solution provider for plastic extrusion. Our expertise is to customize extrusion pelletizing line based on customers' demands. All these pellets you see on the wall represent countless stories with our customers. No matter you are looking for solution for recycling, compounding, or PVC application, our plentiful experiences can definitely give you the best suggestions. We have 4 main product lines including single screw extruder, co-rotating twin screw extruder, counter-rotating twin screw extruder, and laboratory extruder. We don't sell extruders, we sell complete extrusion pelletizing lines from upstream material preparation system to downstream storing system. CYKF helps you simplify the complex purchasing processes. Just one call, we can do all for you. This is our factory for equipment assembly and testing run. We clean it by the end of the day to ensure the working environment is safe and in order. And what is the benefits of choosing CYKF? Still remember our secret wall? Our R&D team has deep knowledge on how to combine material characteristic and mechanism together, which enable us to design the best system with 5H guarantee, which are high quality, high efficiency, high capacity, high stability, and high durability. CYKF has already running our business for 2 decades, and we are expecting the next 20 years to keep expanding our brand to whoever need us. If you are looking for a reliable and honest partner, CYKF is always here for you. Thank you very much for your time. Welcome to visit our website and social media, or directly contact us for further information. Goodbye.